Hello guys, so today video we're gonna talk how to create and customize a website on Squarespace for design and graphics business isn't quick. So as we know, Squarespace is a website building tool that makes it easy for anyone to create their own website without needing to know how to code. It offers templates and tools to help you design and customize your site. So you can choose from here the topic of your business. So wait a few seconds. So maybe if you like to add the art and design topic, the type of the business might be maybe online store or services, or just the services, not online store. So if the business the topic isn't here, you can just select all templates, and you can go with you can start with one of these templates here, or if you wanna build your own template. So let's get started and let's go. So here you can enter your business name, type any name for your business, for graphic and design business. Here you have to build your homepage. Build your homepage section by section, add in as many or as a few sections as you need. So the first section, the intro section, must be an attraction section. Here your website, you can try your best, or you have to try your best to make your website looks better and attractive to attract more customers and more people to your website. So you can do anything to make it better. All the sections must be attractive. Add page to your site and choose the color palette. You can choose any color match with your business or any color you like it. Here you can choose the font. Okay, it's finished. And now wait a few seconds or a few minutes. Here you can choose if you want to continue and add the details about your website and the description and choosing the writing style, or if you just want to skip this, I'm gonna skip this. So this is your home page right now. If you want to edit it, you can just click here, and the first thing here, you can change the text here. So just click on it like this, and you can change the text. You can type anything here, for example, welcome to our site, welcome to our site for graphic and design business. Or without business, just design. So you can change the color of the text here if you want. Now let's move on to the background. So the background, you can select just a simple art from here, or if you want to use the image as a background, so click here and go to this, to the library and to the free image, and search on graphic and design templates. So um, okay, I'm gonna select just a simple image from here. I'm gonna select this. Also here you can change the text on this label. Just click on it and change the text. Get started, for example. And now if you want to add something new on your homepage, just click here, add section. You can select what kind of sections you want to add, image or videos, menus, whatever you like to add. Now let's move on to the site header. You can change the site title and you can upload your logo here and the mobile logo image. Now let's move on to the elements. You can turn this on the button and change the text on this label here, and you can edit the social links and language switch. So that's it. And now let's move on to the next. Here you can change the wave intensity. Go to the design and change the wave and change the text size like this. After this you move on to the next section. Delete this image, add another one and put it here. Select from library and search here on graphic templates. Okay. um, for example, I'm gonna choose this. And now in the background you don't have to add image on the background, just a simple art like this, it's much better. So like this, use this space to talk about your shop and your products, how and where they made and what's make them unique. So first you can change the paragraph of this text here, and you can change it the text if you want. You can type anything here you like about, or anything you can talk about your products. Also here just a simple art, and here the testimonial section. Here you're gonna tell people about you, who you are, your origin and your process or your inspirations. Tap into your creativity. You got this. The way you tell your story online can make all the difference. So that's it. Here the social media section. So you can change the links here, the social links. Now let's move on. Here you can change this image and add instead of this image, for example, you can add a map. And now you can change your address, or add your address business. Just click here and you can change the business name and your address and the city and the state and your country, and also you can change the design of your map. And in the background, just a simple art like this. So this is the last section, the footer section. Now just search here on just a simple art, select from the background, and here you can change the location and the hours and the contact. So if you're done from here, you can just save this and go to the CLN section and add the product to your inventory, and choose the subscription plan, add the way to get paid. After this, just publish your website and start selling. So that's it for today. That's how to customize your site on Squarespace for graphic and design templates business, easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.